That was amazing.
This is Nick, a subscriber I met in New York to help him step out of his comfort zone and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 24th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge, but before we start, thank you for being over 3,000 subscribers to watch my videos. Thank you and enjoy.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going? I like your pants.
Kudos to you for being confident.
I would love to hang out sometime, but I still want to get your number.
Today I'm with Nick.
I'm 24 years old. I live in New York City. Right now I'm a banker. I just want to get out of my comfort zone, just have a little bit of fun too, and just, I don't know, just learn a little bit more about myself, I guess. I'm not used to talking to just like new people. Like I'm just used to the regular networking, which is like work or friends of friends. And so I'm not really used to just going up to somebody new and saying, hi, how's it going? Or even just looking at somebody new. Like it's hard, especially with girls I find attractive. Well, even in college and school, I didn't really talk to anybody. Like even like during classes or out of classes, even when like I would get so-called like, you know, signals from girls like that, like they were interested in me if I did catch them, and I still didn't do anything about it. It's just, I'm just scared to just talk to new people, and I don't know what to say. There's always that story in my head like, oh, I'm not good enough, you know, they don't want to talk to you, or oh, I'll find something in them to be like, oh, this person like fucking hates me. I'm excited to actually be here. I was really anxious right before getting here, especially like the days leading up to this. I didn't know if I want to do it. Like I almost tried to talk myself out of it, but I was like, hey, like I need to do this, like just send it. If anything, I'm just really anxious about like being in the moment, and I'm anxious about like not being able to like keep the conversation flowing, or not knowing what to say, or just like, you know.
Okay. Any last words before we start?
Just send it. Yeah, let's just do it. Yeah.
Do it.
I can go? Wait. Yo, wait. Shit, I'm not ready for like two people. Yeah, I'm gonna be real. I'm not ready for two.
Good friend is like stressing you out?
Exactly, it's stressing me out. Exactly.
I was hoping you were just gonna jump, but
No. I had to take baby steps.
Pero may friends sila nito.
Yo, you like really didn't want to give her like any cash. Like, what was up with that? Like, you just handed her the cash anyways.
Yeah, well, I don't think I had any cash on me. Like $5.
Why didn't you just tell her no then?
I did, but I felt bad. It sounded really scary.
For sure. But I like your pants.
Thank you so much.
I fuck with that. What was your name? Oh, I really fuck with the like whole barbed wire style. I don't know. I didn't even notice that until I came over here.
Yeah.
I'm out in Queens right now. You? People are really fucking with you today. Shit. God damn. Do you usually have this many people come up to you?
Sometimes.
What are you studying at?
I'm a fashion major.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Are you in college?
I'm taking a break here right now. Yeah. I was studying finance, but then I had like a midlife crisis at 20. And I was like, oh, I should do acting.
That's fancy.
Yeah.
I used to be a dancer.
Oh, cool. I got to take ballet soon, so if you know any.
Yeah. Well, that's what I was. I was like strictly ballet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. Any tips before I start my classes? No? Yeah. I thought you were really chill, really cute, and kind of wanted to hang out with you sometime. If you wanted to link up, exchange numbers. Cool. Yeah, I can put my phone number in there. Cool. Yeah, it's good to meet you. Have a good day. That was amazing. Yeah, that was amazing.
that was really cool.
I mean, it kind of helped that she was into stuff that I like fashion, and like she wanted to do stuff with her life. Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
Yeah. I mean, I can't say I dress the best, but
Sorry, that was too. You just gave me the stick. I had to do that.
I was just surprised that I was actually like connected with her a little bit more than like I thought I would. I thought it was going to be like more of an uphill battle, but She already likes some of the stuff that I like, so
Okay.
yeah.
Cool. This is the first time that you get a girl's number.
Like in real life.
Like this,
yeah.
like in real life.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice.
Yeah.
Any thoughts moving forward? Any last thoughts?
I just feel like on top of the world a little bit. That's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, we just started. That's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
Are you working on a Sunday?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Is this like coding? What do you? Oh shit. What kind of program do you use?
Right now, MATLAB.
What is it?
MATLAB.
I've never heard of it. Is it a back end or front end program?
It's a front end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very user friendly.
That's a smart one. Well, cool. I think you're cute, and that's even like hotter that you do like coding and stuff like that. So
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, you have a boyfriend? Okay, yeah. Take it as a compliment. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I really
Have a good day.
You said like I think you're cute as if like you kind of said it as if like you you didn't say it at first and you were kind of like confessing like
Yeah.
something like like you're talking I think you're cute.
That was an L. I'll take it. Yeah.
That was a what?
That was an L for
That's
sure.
an L.
L, like lose, like a loss. You know, a W.
Oh, no, that wasn't
Yeah.
a lose. You wanted to go for it. You went for it.
Oh, yeah.
That's a win. There's no
sure.
lose. You know, some people you're gonna click with, some people you're not gonna click with. Sometimes it's a question of timing. You know, the only thing that matters is that you wanted to go for it and you went for it. That's what matters.
A few moments later.
I feel a little lightheaded because of like the adrenaline. Hi. I think you're really cute, and I was just curious on what you were reading.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You should probably know I have a boyfriend. But
Oh, okay.
it's a slight edge.
The slight edge.
But kudos to you for being confident.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. What would you suggest it in like self-help? Like, is this the best self-help book that you've ever
I
read?
don't know. I mean,
Have you read Principles by Ray DeLeo?
Mm-mm.
Okay, I would definitely suggest that one.
Principles.
Cool
That's
diagrams.
awesome. I'm trying to think. What was the other one? Never Split the Difference. Have you heard of that one?
No, who's that one by? What was your name? Nick.
Nick.
Good to meet you. Well, you have a nice day,
You
and
too.
you take it as a compliment. Yeah, cool.
Thank you.
See ya. I'm always expecting the worst, and all of these interactions haven't really been super bad, and they've all been really cool.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just, I'm always just stuck in my head.
So you're just like, I guess what, like surprised or?
Yeah, I'm really surprised, yeah.
Really surprised. Okay. Nice. Any thoughts moving forward? Keep the surprise coming.
Yeah, keep it going. Hopefully I don't get too exhausted.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah, we're just waiting till my friend's here.
What are you reading?
Cast.
Origins of Art.
Just started it. Not really sure what it's about, but
Okay.
I think it won the Pulitzer, so
That's true.
hopefully it's good.
Yeah. Wow. I think you're really cute, and
Thank you.
just wanted to come up say hi.
Thanks. What's your name?
Nick,
Nice to meet you.
have you ever read Dune?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I'm reading that one right now.
Really?
I'm
How
on
you
the.
liking it?
It's good. Yeah, I'm on the third one right now.
You're on the third?
Yeah.
Okay, so I did not start the third.
Right.
Yeah, I liked the second, not as much as the first, but still liked it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I read the reviews for the third, and I heard it's like very weird and not as good, so I stopped reading. So what do you think? Would you recommend?
I mean, I'm halfway into it, and it's a lot like the first one.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, definitely would recommend for sure.
All right. Maybe that will be my next.
Hey,
Are you excited for the movie to come out?
oh yeah, I'm so stoked.
Yeah.
yeah.
I was excited last year, and then it didn't come out.
Yeah, and they pushed it back for real. Yeah, I think you're pretty chill, and I would love to hang out sometime and see, get some coffee, see where it goes. Yeah. Cool. I can grab your number. Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nick.
Yeah. See you around. It was good. Yeah, I was honestly surprised that it went at least decent.
I just have two observations.
Yeah.
The first thing is you said something like, "I think you're cute."
Mm-hmm.
If you were really good friends with her, you would just say, "Hey, you're very cute." You know, the fact that you're addressing your compliment with "I think you're cute," it just is a symptom that. I'm not saying it's bad. You know, I'm not saying that. Oh, you know, you did bad. Like, I'm just saying like this is a symptom that there's still some anxiety around expressing your desire,
100%.
and so you should be self-aware of it so that you can go towards like removing those things. Obviously, you're not a robot. It's not like you're going to press a button and magically, but just something to be self-aware about.
I don't think anything's going to lead with the last girl, but
well,
yeah,
also that's one of the things. Like, what matters is what do you want. So if you want to see this girl, you should text her, because sometimes you're going to have great interaction and you're never going to see the girl again. Sometimes you're going to have a weird interaction and it's going to be great. Maybe right now the interaction was weird. Maybe it's because she didn't like you that much, but maybe just because she's surprised and like maybe you cut them off guard or whatever. So just play your cards. And I also feel like, so you got two numbers. You seem pretty comfortable now. So maybe we can like push the comfort line a bit and try to do like a pair or like a group of like 12.
Okay.
So let's see.
Let's do it. Okay. Hi. I just thought you were really cute. I just wanted to say hi. But
Hi.
you guys drawing henna? What are you guys doing? That's a little psychedelic. Yeah. That's cool. Cool. What are you guys up to? Is it cool if I sit here? Are you guys actresses?
No, we all go to Parsons.
I don't know what that is.
It's like design.
Oh, design. Okay, you guys are all fashion designers then. Well, it was good talking to you guys, but I just wanted to get your number, see if you want to hang out sometime, get some coffee.
I'll kind of see you sometime.
Oh, okay,
Sorry
cool.
about that.
No, all good. Take it as a compliment as well.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, you too. And it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Like at the very beginning with that first girl, and then her friend came along, and I was like, oh, well, like fuck no, I know, I'm not gonna do a group now. And like doing the group, honestly, I think was a lot easier than doing one-on-one. To be honest with you.
What about it?
There was just something a little bit off-putting, not off-putting, but like comforting about just like jumping off of something else that you were interested in on somebody else, and then like jumping off of that.
I see.
But to me, it was a lot more easier. I didn't feel as nervous when I was talking to a group.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
What are you guys up to? Hanging out.
Yeah.
Well, I think you're really cute, and so I just wanted to come say hi.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. But are those like real gold chains? What's up with that? No. Okay. But, well, it was cool talking to you. Yeah. Fuck, this debrief's just gonna be bad. Just didn't know what to say, and I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna head out because I'm just tired at this point.
I think you always want to ask yourself, like, if I was already friends with these people, what would I do? First thing is you come in, and what's interesting is that first you sit and then you talk to them. Which, if three friends are sitting on the bench and you come up to them, either you're going to start talking first or you're going to talk as you sit. But it's a bit weird that you sit and then you wait. Like there's a, it's not very spontaneous. It's a bit, you're thinking
planned out,
you're a bit thinking too much about what's going on. And also, I wonder if there's three people, right? Like let's say that you see a friend of yours and they're with two other people.
Yeah.
You're gonna acknowledge the other two, right? Like I felt here that you sat next to the one girl and like you just talked to her, but I feel like that's not very. I feel like maybe you see the friends as like an obstacle or something. Like they're all friends, they're together. Like obviously, you're gonna have to talk. You're gonna have to like talk to them, right? It could be much less rigid and much more like flowing and flexible.
Fun
And just light.
I'm really drained.
Wow. Did you expect this to be draining?
No, I didn't at all. But I mean, it's
earlier he was like, "Yeah, I work out 6 days a week. I got you, bro." And now he's like,
mentally.
Yeah, mentally.
Hi.
Hi.
thought you were really cute, and I just wanted to say hi.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. What's your name?
Vanessa, what's
Vanessa.
your name?
Nick. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You as well. Yeah. What are you up to right now?
I'm sorry, I'm actually going on a date right now.
You're on a date? Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Take it as a compliment. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. You have a good day.
Sorry.
You're good.
So she's going on a date. So what?
That's right.
She's single. She's going on a date. You think most dates lead to a relationship? No, they don't.
No.
That would have been very easy. But actually,
That's
well,
right.
just go back. Just go back and say, hey, I don't want to ruin the date, but like, let's do something next week. Just do it. Just do it. You're gonna feel like a baller after.
Am I really?
Yeah, you are. Let's just do it.
Okay. This guy. I really didn't want to ruin the date, but I still want to get your number.
Okay. He's my boyfriend.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, you're good. No, yeah.
Like what's important is not that you always get the result, it's that you reach for it, because you have to make the stride, you have to make the stride, and so yeah, I think that was cool. Okay, Nick. So how was today?
It was really good. It was tiring for sure, 100%. At one point, you just want to give up because it's just like, oh, okay, shit. Take an L, but coming out of it, I feel a lot better. It's like, okay, now I can actually keep eye contact with people and actually feel like I'm not a piece of shit. Like the
stories.
The stories and the voices in the head that are like, oh, like you're not enough and shit like that. They're like gone, basically.
Wow, okay.
That's what it feels like.
And also now you know it's possible.
Yeah.
Did you get any insights from today?
That girls definitely want to be approached, that they are cool with it, even if, you're not like the best at like communicating it, or, even if you're not their type or they have a boyfriend, they're still cool with talking to somebody new, and they still like, a good experience. Yeah.
Okay.
If you see somebody you're interested in that really, like you say, inspires you, somebody that like you're really interested in, then just do it. Because really there is nothing to lose, really, at all. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything to tell whoever is watching this video? Or maybe your past self?
Yeah.
Or, do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
I would say, don't be a bitch, I guess. Like, yeah, just do it. You're probably never going to see them again, ever. Just like today, walking around the park, like we walked around multiple times and they were gone by at least like the first or second rotation. And it's like, oh, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any last words?
Last words, as the Nelk boys say, send it.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us, so if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the subscriber challenge, shoot me an email. I'm currently in France, planning to go to London, maybe Portugal, so if you're anywhere in Europe, reach out to me and we'll make it happen. That's it for today, see you next time.